make $100 a day just picking up a phone call. It's simple as that. In order to do that, you need to go to a website called www. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Anamik Tech Talks, where I speak about how to make money online. There are various ways you can make money online. So today I have found another way by which you can make some potential great income online. Okay, it's really awesome way to make some money, and it is one of the easiest way you can make money fast. Okay, now today I'm going to show you a website from which you can earn like $100 a day. Okay, so in order to do that, first, as you can see the screen here, this is called Cambly. As you can show you that Cambly.com. This is a website called the Cambly.com, where you can learn English at the touch of a button. It's free. Yes, you can learn English, but here's a catch. Okay, this is a really English teaching website, and there is a way to learn English with the help of an app that you can download from this website, and then you just have to register or sign up for an account. After you sign up for an account, you receive a call from some of the students like that, and you just have to talk in English with them. Okay, you just have to talk, as simple as that, in English, and just for talking you will receive like around $10 per hour. Okay, simple. It's so simple. You can easily create $100 a month if you want. So this is one of the ways you can make a really good money just by speaking over phone, and I think it has some potential, as you can see here, like various other testimonials are there. So if you wish to check it out, you can check it out right now, and you can give it a try and see if it works for you. It may or may not work, okay, to be honest with you. So until you really try, I really can't tell if it will work for you. Okay, so I hope this might be a really helpful video for you, and it might help you with making some money online. Okay, so thanks for watching, and I hope this video is really helpful for you. If it is, please like and subscribe to my channel, because I post making money videos like every single day, and I will come up with another opportunity to make money. I will continue to show you more websites that pays well via PayPal and all the stuff. So thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video tomorrow.